Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
Yeah, right. We learned to a new concept, list comprehension. It's an interesting way. So let's see the code and review it. So open ex3, connect it. And first we learned how to make lists. The basic way is to prepare an empty list. And every time you want to add it to the list, use append. List name dot append new element. That's the basic way to make a new list. But last time we learned another way, which is use list comprehension. The basic form is like this. So n for n in range something, or n for, out of previously prepared list, we can calculate and rearrange a new list, reproducing a new list. Or we can use for statement here plus if, for example, to select only the elements that fits the condition you want. Okay, so using that, we learned how to make a list of divisible or factors of 36. Okay, so what was the homework? How many factors does 48 have? That's simple, right? So let's do it. What do you want? Maybe shall we use k this time? K for k in range 1 to, we want to check up to 48, so we write 49 here. So if 48 is divisible by k, add it to the list. Okay, that's the basic way to get the list. Okay, let's call it L. And then, yeah, we can check L. And also see how many, you remember how to calculate how many elements are there in the list? Yeah, that's Len, L. Okay, maybe we will rearrange the order so that count first and then the list itself. Okay, so this will give that the list of factors of 48, and then how many are there in the list? So it says 10, right? This is very convenient, right? So the answer is 10. But maybe we can change so that we can do any number for, yeah. So for example, in that case, what should we write here? We should write n plus 1, right? And then we should replace 48 with n. So this will give the same answer. And if you want to change it to 36, it will give a list of factors of 36. If you want 120, that's also possible. Okay, that's many factors like 10, 12, 15, 12, blah, 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 and it has 16 factors. This is a very interesting way to do something new. Okay, so let's go to today's lesson. Lesson 19, function to return factors. So last time we did it with list comprehension. So let's make a function to get the same result. Define a function that returns a list of factors using a loop. Okay, maybe you know how to declare a function and call it. In this time, we want to use a parameter to meaning about which number we want. Okay, stop the video if you think you can do it and do it yourself. Okay, are you back with me? So let's do it. So defining a function can be done by def func. Okay, def, that's a keyword, factors. Okay, and then one parameter here for n, and color. And then it says using a loop. So maybe we'll do it. L equals empty. And then for, say, I, k in range n+1, colon, return. If n is divisible by k, then L append k. Okay, this will finish it. But then we want to return a list of factors. So here we can use return statement. Maybe we don't need a space. So return L. Okay, this is how to define a function to return a list of factors. Okay, let's check that. So it produces nothing, that's fine. But if we call factors, like factors, say 36, good. This will return. Oh, something is wrong. Sorry about that. Integer division or more by 0. Okay. K should start from 1. That's right. I made it wrong. Should start 1, of course. Yeah, should start from 1 to n plus 1. Okay, let's redefine it. And then let's run it. Haha, I made a mistake. So this is a list of factors for 36, which is exactly the same as this one, or up here maybe. Okay, maybe we can change this to 36 and check that this is as the same as this. Okay, if you write it 48, it will give a list of factors for 48. Good. So then maybe we can change it to write it simpler using list comprehension. Can you try it? Okay, so maybe I can do it. I can use different names, but I can use the same name to overwrite it. So one way is to make this way. Okay, just copy this. L equals, yeah, we can just copy this and write here. And return L. Okay, can we use different names? Maybe factors 2. Okay, and then something is wrong. Return. Why do I misspell it? Typo. Okay, so let's check. Factors 2 will produce exactly the same result as last time. So these are equivalent, and this is simple. Or we can write even shorter, even more compact by writing this way. And then this is just a single line. This is exactly the same as previous case. Good. Okay. Use it to get factors of 36. How many are there? Oh, no, this is what we already did. So maybe shall we use the second one? Or shall we rename it as factors? Okay, so this is exactly what our, so maybe in this case, L equals factors. Well, maybe we can use just exactly len factors 36. This will do. Be sure to match the parentheses. Okay, so this will give 9, which is exactly the same as this one. Good. What's next? Print factors of each number from 1 through 20. Okay, can you try it? Print one by one. Okay, let's do it. It's simple, right? For I in range 1 through 20, right? So I write 21 here. And then print. Maybe we can use, to make it more readable, we can use F string to write this way. Ah, okay. There's, sorry, I should use this one. Of course, there are many ways to write it differently, but this is maybe good enough. Okay, let's run it. Again, I made a mistake. Sorry about that. Factors are, what's wrong? F I, here. Sorry. That's right. Maybe in this case, I should use double quote here and single quote here because I want to use double single quote for, and then this is good enough. So one's factors are 1, two's factors are 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 80, da, da, da. It seems great. I seems correct. Okay. So I hope you're now familiar with defining a function and with some parameters, also how to use return statement. Okay. Are you okay with it? Okay, that's all for today. Homework. Find the count of factors for 1 through 20. It's almost the same as the last one. Okay. So be sure to come back. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.